Hey Logo Legends, welcome back to another Freestyle Mondays video where every week I'll take the Apple logo, which I showed you how to design, and create a unique illustrated look. This is a great exercise to improve your design skills and to learn a lot about the Adobe Illustrator app. So stick around, it's going to be a good one, it's going to be exciting, we're going to have fun. Let's begin the second video of the Freestyle Monday series right now. Okay, so for this week's Freestyle Mondays tutorial, I'm thinking about using the blend tool. Last week we explored the gradient mesh tool, and for this week I have a blend tool idea. So let's start doing that right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and make a copy of this Apple logo and just hold down Alt and Shift as I drag to the left just to make a copy. And we're going to begin to work on this one. So the idea is to have the Apple logo repeating in itself, and I'm going to go ahead and ungroup this first, ensure that these two shapes are split apart, and then I'm going to make a copy and just resize this down to about right there in the middle. But I'm also going to offset this part a little bit, about right there. Looks good. And that's the shape I'm gonna use to do the blend. So I'm just gonna change the color real quick. I'm gonna grab the blend tool over here and just select the big shape here first, and then this little guy. And as you can see, it's completely smooth, but that's not what I want. I want to see the individual shapes being repeated. So I'm gonna hit enter on the blend tool here. Select preview, change from smooth color to specified steps. I'm gonna change it to the value of 8, and that looks a little bit too much right now. Also, it's not that smooth. All right, so let's do that again. I'm gonna undo most of what I've done here, and let me just offset the path again. All right, let me change it to around 12. Let's see how that works out, guys. That's why it's Freestyle Mondays. You never know what's gonna happen as we explore using Illustrator like this. All right, so that's looking a little bit better. About there, 5. Does 5 looks good? Or 4? I'm gonna go with 4, guys. All right, so I repeated this lower shape. Now let me repeat this, the leaf part of the Apple logo. So first I'm gonna make a copy, and then I'm not gonna offset this one. It looks perfectly fine to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend these two now. And let's go down to 4. All right, so 3 looks better for this one. I am digging this already, so let's go ahead and add some colors to the shades that we got here. First, let me just make a copy of this. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and expand this blend so that I can get the individual shapes. All right, you guys see that? That's how we do that, but it's in a group, so let me ungroup them. All right, so now I got all the shapes individually. Let's do the same for this blend over here. All right, so now I'm just gonna change these colors. Yay or nay? No. All right, so let me do this again. I'm gonna use a different color guide. Before I do that, let me see if I change the blend of, sorry, the transparency here, how that will affect things. Let's try overlay. No, I'm still not liking how that's looking. Let me reduce the opacity here. Nope. All right, so we're not gonna go ahead and do that. So I know what I'm gonna do then. So I'm gonna go for a green theme here. It's like energy, you know? And I'm gonna change, I'm gonna give it a inner shadow. And I'm gonna use that same inner glow again and again and again and again. Just altering the next green color slightly as I go along, and applying the inner glow to see how that looks. I'm not sure I'm liking the inner glow on some of these, so I'm just gonna, well, all the others except the main one, the main big shape, so I'm just gonna delete that and continue down. All right, and I'm gonna copy, do the same thing here. And no, it didn't copy the inner glow, so let me just apply that. And then I'm gonna have to change the value so that it actually shows. Alright, 10 seems good. And then I'm just gonna copy these other colors. Alright, and I think I'm about to wrap this up now. I don't want the video being super long like the last time of Freestyle Mondays, the last one. So I'm gonna wrap this up right here. This is our accomplishment for today. The Apple logo repeating in itself. Thanks again for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and let me know if you're enjoying the new series Freestyle Mondays. I'm having fun doing these, and I hope you're learning a lot as well. Be sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and let all your friends know what's going on this side. See you in the next video. Bye bye.